Hi there, my dear Virgo friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I am here to do your monthly reading for the month of December. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Virgo. Just take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave the rest behind. So if you will be happy and for this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's start. Love and light. Namaste. My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear beautiful Virgo for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear beautiful Virgo for the month of December? My spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear beautiful Virgo for the month of December? um, I can feel a heavy, intense energies with this reading, and probably it is because of the weather. You know, when you're a psychic, the weather connects you. Yeah. Uh, Try to observe it. If the weather is like you know dark and yeah, I think your mood is not also good. But if it's sunny, glowing up, or you will see your energy as well is glowing up. Let's see. Two, five. Let's see. um okay, let's see what's the bottom of the cards. Six of six of clubs. There is, for those who are suffering or dealing with financial difficulties, financial loss, someone is going to help you, to lend you a money. Yes. Don't worry. It's an unexpected. The divine sent you this person to help you financially. Yes. Um, yes. For those who are planning to start for a new project or a new business, then there is a sign in here that it, and then you have only not enough money to build that business. This is a good sign, a good omen for financial issues. Okay. Yes. For some of you, you are dealing with family issues in here. um this card is a ace of heart, this, and reverse, there is a family issues in here. There is troubles and problems that is arising in your family. Yeah, fights. It's most for some of you, you are dealing with inheritance issues. Okay. Yes. The third card at the back of the family issues is a six of diamonds. It is a card for a indicating a relationship problems in here. For some of you, you are I think you're having an argument, fights, or a separation from a second marriage. Yes, for some of you. Yes, or you are having a relationship problem with your best friend. Yes. Mm, yeah. It's about possessiveness and jealousy, insecurity. Okay. hmm Let's see. The past, the present. Oh, yeah. So, right. Your past. For some of you, you were promoted, you receive rewards, achievements, recognition at work. But there were people who were really jealous of you because it's like they feel like you are not suitable in that position, right? And so you are happy, they are not happy. But anyway, but you just ignore them, and that's your past, okay? Consciously, you have trouble in your mind, okay? You are going to travel. You love traveling, my dear Virgo friends, okay? For some of you, you are financially stable, so that's why you have to unwind, to celebrate by traveling around, okay, with your loved one, okay. Um, um, but for some of you, yes, yes, as I've said, there's family issues earlier on that you are going to deal with, and there is an inheritance issues in here, and someone older than you in the family is going to speak to you about this, okay. um for some of you as well, you will receive, or you will get, you will win a lottery, and I don't know if it's big or not, but for some of you, you will win from the lottery, okay. For some of you, you might receive a financial inheritance from your parents or from your grandparents, okay. Sorry, I don't know why my throat is thank you. Right. This is your present, this is your future, and this is your past. Okay. There is some malicious gossips roaming around, rumors about you. And then this one really caused you um being paranoid about that issue. Okay. Okay. Ah, for some of you, right? You are still in that position in the past that you were promoted, but other people around you, other colleagues, were not happy because they think you are not suitable in that position. But for you, you are suitable, and you are trying your best to to do everything to make them happy, to make your work perfectly, yeah. But still, you cannot please everyone, my dear Virgo friend, so just ignore them. But these gossips, rumors about you is causing you having, because you are an empathic, for most of you, my dear Virgo friends, you are highly intuitive individuals, so you knew that people around you are gossiping you, okay. So, right, okay. And this one, because this one is a cross. Right, okay. This is the gossips. There is an opposition in here. Two of uh, clubs. Opposition, disappointments, gossips, malicious gossips around you, obstacle to success. This is the one. Hmm? Uh, Crossing you, and this is a financial argument. It's an argument concerning finance finances, or it's in the job. But I can see it in here that it will be sorted out very soon. Okay, so you are thinking about it. I think you are dealing with financial issues at work, and then these people who are against you are giving you hard time dealing with these financial issues. But I am telling you, I can see a positive outcome in here. So don't worry about it. Okay. And yes, subconsciously there is a person in here, a woman who is very indifferent, who loves partying, who loves flirting, who loves gossiping, is the one who is spreading these rumors. This is also an earth sign energy, person with an earth sign energy, a Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. It's the same like you, and with energy, with an earth sign energy, and this is the one gossiping about something. I think this is one of your boss, a higher, with a higher rank that you than you. Yes, but you knew what she's doing behind your back. Okay, your future. Yeah, let's see. It's a wealth and prosperity card, but it's in reverse. So let's see why it's in reverse. Okay. There is a man in here older than you, a water sign with a water sign energy. This is Pisces, Cancerian, or a Scorpio man who will give you a fair, playful advice. This is an affectionate, caring man who is really concerned about you. His action reveals his kindness and concerns to you. This man don't talk too much, but he will just, it's his action. You can feel it that this person is really concerned to you. I feel like for some of you this is your father, or for some of you this is a boss at work. Yeah, he believes in your ability. Okay, he actually he adores you. Yeah. Yes. So let's see. All right. Okay. Seven of spade. Okay. For some of you, you've lost someone. Oh yeah. Remember the early in the beginning that you have, for some of you, lost a a there is a separation that was in the card for some of you because of the possessiveness and jealousy, and you've been having fight with your I think your best friend or your second marriage. There is a loss in here. Yes, this is a lost card, and this is obstructing your receiving your abundance. That's why it makes you feel depressed, very low. But please, my dear Virgo, move on. Okay, move on. Because there's a lot of abundance and prosperity that is it's on your way, coming to you. That's why your future, the wealth and prosperity card is reversed. Okay? So you will lose a lot of money in here. Because for some of you, I think you will feel like you need to stay in your home, don't want to work, you have no enthusiasm to work at the moment. But as I have told you, once you move on, Okay, you will receive your abundance and prosperity in here. And for those who were promoted and a lot of work colleague is against you, just do your job properly and your hard work pays off. As I've said, there's a man in here who knows your ability, that you really deserve the promotion, that what you have got. Yeah, the reward, the recognition. Okay, so just ignore those people, those work colleague who is really jealous to you. Okay, so yeah, there is a an earth sign young person in here who is going to bring you bad news, but relatively minor, so don't worry about it. And I have said, oh, your final outcome, there is a hostile, a lot of jealousy in the cards. So be careful, my dear Virgo. It's it's jealousy. There is a younger person with an air sign energy, Aquarius and Gemini and Libra, who is hostile and jealous to you. So this person will offer you a tricky situation. So please follow your instinct. Use, trust your intuition, because if you will accept this tricky situation and you will really deal with this, there is a big failure that is going to happen. And maybe that's why your future, your wealth and prosperity card is reversed, because you will lose a lot of money. Okay, my dear Virgo. So now I am telling you to please be aware that if someone younger than you who will offer you, okay, of something that you feel you're not comfortable to accept with, please remember this reading. Okay? That is a warning card. Okay? Let's see. Oh, a lot of people around you is jealous, my dear Virgo friends. Um, for some of you, you are moving on from the past, because as well, you dealt with a traumatic life experience before, and you are now moving on, and your hard work pays off as well. There is a fated events in here presenting to you lots of positivity, lots of, yeah, yeah, positivity that is presenting to you very soon. So please, as I've said, be trust your intuition, because of jealousy in here. They will do something to pin you down, to give problems to you. So please trust your intuition. Follow your instinct. Follow your gut feelings, my dear Virgo friends. Okay? Secrets is revealed in here, and you will find or discover that someone is cheating on you. Someone is lying on you. And I feel like this is the one. Yes. This person is really trying to put you into trouble. It's a big trouble. Okay? I'm not scaring you, my dear Virgo friends, but I just want to be honest with you, because that's why I am here to guide you, right? Of to guide you, and to try to protect you. Okay? To put yourself into trouble. Okay? So but remember that if you are married, you are, for some of you, you are loved by your family in here. For some of you, okay. I mean, if you have your own family, but um you know, your immediate family, you have siblings and like that. Yes, there's family issues because I think it's more on inheritance issues, but can feel that you will receive, for some of you, a financial inheritance in here. And then for some of you, if you are uh, uh, having this abdominal discomfort, abdominal pain which is unbearable, and it's ongoing for months now, then you must see a doctor for that. Okay, do not ignore. There is a warning. It's in my mind, so please pay attention to your health. I can see something in your abdominal area. There is a something going on that needs attention. Yes, and yes, because I think for some of you are suffering from diabetes. Yes, and gallbladder problems. Yes, and it will also it will connect to your, for some of you having heart problems. Yes, so please don't ignore your health. Okay, let's see. Um, more cards for confirmation. As I have told you, for some of you, there is a love sickness in here. As I've said, where's that? Ah, it just came into my mind. Is that earlier on that there will be a secret um to be revealed. You will discover that someone is cheating on you. And for some of you, if you are married, this is your behalf. You will discover that is cheating behind you. Yeah, this is love sickness card. Unfaithful husband, unfaithful wife, unfaithful partner, unfaithful boyfriend, or unfaithful girlfriend. Okay, so there were promises that is broken in here, and there's doubts around love. Okay, you are empathic. You will feel it, my dear Virgo friends. Okay, let's see. Three of Diamonds. You, for some of you, will be dealing legal issues, legal arguments in here. Maybe it's connected to this. Um, maybe you, for some of you, will file a divorce because really you were hurt. You were really heavily hurt. It's a heartbreaking issues. And but again, please, my dear Virgo friends, um, please try to stay strong because there is a better future awaiting. Okay, there is always a rainbow after the rain. Okay, so don't give up. Don't give up. You are very, you are really very good in attracting money, you know. You are very good in business making. So focus on your finance. If someone, yes, I know you are an empathic. When you are hurt, you're deeply hurt. Then try to meditate, contemplate, and try to move on. Okay. See, four of, yeah, there is depression in here, low moods, or illness in the card. As I've broken promises as well, four of spades. So as I've said, if you feel like you are having this unusual discomfort or in your body, if your body is crying for help, then pay attention to that. Do not ignore because If your mind is active and your body is crying for rest or needs to see a doctor, then do not ignore, my dear Virgo friends, because regret is always in the end. Remember, okay? So let's see. Let's see. Let's go to the tarot cards, and let's see what are the more messages that has in store for you for the month of December. Okay. Hey, sorry. Okay, my spirit guides. What are the more messages that has in store for you for our dear very friends for the month of December? The bottom of the card is Six of Swords. It's a transition card of transition. It's a maybe card associated with Aquarius energy, aligned to Mercury, planet Mercury, which is communication and mentality, and aligned to heart chakra. So for some of you, you are now trying to move forward, and you are now in your healing period. And then for some of you is now seeing a progress and development of what you're doing. Okay, you are now moving on. Go ahead with that. Okay, so if you feel like you are defeated in a battle, then let that battle um, um, away from you. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, Two of Wands. It's a choice card, and it's a maybe cards associated with an Aries energy and aligned to planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned to third eye chakra. So it says in here, this card is symbolizing that you trust the process. Trust the process, okay? Trust your intuition, follow your gut feelings, okay? There is two paths that is presented to you. So you have to choose the right one. Trust your intuition. Okay? There is a decision that is needed to be made, and then and like that two parts. That two parts is that is presenting to you is you have to decide if you have to stay or go. Let this battle stay. Let You have to let yourself fight in that battle or let that battle go away. So trust your intuition. Okay, there is a reverse card in here, reverse card of Seven of Cups. Dreams. Your dreams is reversed at the moment because you are dealing with something that is making you feel low. But as I've said, it will come to you. Try to move on. Try to move on and try to meditate, contemplate. Okay? Relax your mind and heart. Listen to Reiki healing music. Okay? Um, in this card it says there is you will see the reality, clarity of the situation. Okay, and there is you it will come into your mind that this is not the end of the world. I have to move on. I can feel like there's a lot of opportunities that is coming on my way, and that is a very good idea, my dear Virgo friends. Okay, so don't give up and then try to be optimistic. Okay, so let's see what is the angel message for you, my dear Virgo friends, for the month of December. Ace of Earth, the inflow of abundance, a promising business venture, important documents or contacts. See, as I've said, there is abundance and prosperity, more opportunity that is coming into your life. 14, wow, I love this number 14, balance. That is my lucky number, luckiest number. Balance, Archangel Zadkiel. The need for balance and moderation, cooperation and compromise. Wait for perfect timing. Okay? That is a very good message for you, my dear Virgo friends. So let's see what is the animal spirit guides message for you. To my dear Virgo friends for the month of December. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see what is the bottom of the card. Eight of Winter. It's bunting. It's so easy to convince yourself that you are trapped when you really are not. Trust that God will lift you to new heights and give you greater self-confidence if you affirm your freedom. See? That is beautiful. Beautiful message. I love that. Katanga Lion King of Spring. Inspiring, dramatic, ambitious, wise. Katanga Lion. Now's your moment to step up to a leadership role. Okay, as I've said earlier on, isn't it? You will be promoted, but you are surrounded by jealous people. Don't back away from the spotlight. Mhm. As your plans will be successful so long as you stay focused upon the big picture. That's right. Don't give up. For those who are seeking an advice or message from the spirit guides regarding their job, business, or career, let's see. Uh-oh. See? Investment. Invest in your education and make some big plans for the future. Take calculated risk but save something to fall back on. Ending. See? Ending. You may leave a position or be terminated. However, there is always a new opportunity ahead. You may change careers entirely. All right. Terminated. Maybe that's why for some of you, there is a loss card in here, maybe a job loss. Yeah, but as I've said, if it is not for you, it is not for you. You've tried, but if it's not for you, it is not for you. There is something that is really meant for you. If it is meant for you, it will never pass you by. Okay. Okay, let's see. For those who have one question in their mind that is seeking for a yes or no answer, let's see. And if you like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Think about it now. Okay. The bottom of the cards. It's a no. Okay. I'm feeling run down, tired, rough time, too much. Okay. For those who are dealing with this rough situation, then calm down, contemplate. Okay, let's see. It's a no. It's a double no. So don't do it. Don't do it at the moment. uh, remember, the was it the angel card saying wait for the perfect timing. Okay, do not insist. It says in here stormy relationships, Trouble strikes, uproar. Okay. So at the moment, it's not yet a perfect time for you to do that. If what's in your mind that you are going to do something, then not at the moment. Okay. Thank you so much, my dear Virgo friends. Good luck in your life journey and love and light. Namaste.